In the world of data, where insights bloom, three verbs stand out, like stars in the gloom. First comes get, through pipelines so vast, from warehouses deep, where data is cast. Transform, next with magic in hand, merges and computes across land and sand. New columns arise, from old ones born, data unified, in forms not yet worn. Then visualize, with art in its heart, brings focus to data in every part. Graphs and charts, in colors bright, tell stories true in the light of day and night. These three verbs in harmonies blend, craft tales of data where answers bend. In the dance of science they lead, to understanding clear and broad indeed. Here you will find a glitch project of which you can get. Simply sign in with Google, click a button, you're set. The README section of the glitch project further explains how to prepare the data and introduces the tools for analyzing the data. You simply drag and drop your data text file into your remix of the project. Change the extension of your file to .csv and add a row describing the headings for the columns of data present. The glitch project makes your data available via a URL to be pipelined into a data science notebook for analysis and discussion. Go into the settings of the glitch project and edit the name to something befitting of your data story. Look in the README section and take note of the URL format, as it is based upon your project name. You now have prepared a place from which to get your data from and into your data science notebook, of which we will now explore a brief example. This data science notebook editor is conveniently available as a web page, where you can upload the example notebook provided by clicking on the upload button in the editor. You can replace the sample header image provided by dragging and dropping your own image into the Assets section of the glitch project. Once you have put your own image in the Assets section of the glitch project, you can click the image to obtain a URL for the image to reference in the code of the data science notebook. Within the Get section of the Data Science Notebook, replace the data URL with your own data URL based upon your glitch project name and data file name. Always feel free to name variables as you see fit, and that makes sense according to your data story. The cells of the Data Science Notebook are of several varieties. The two we will be using are the Markdown cells and the Code cells. To run either of these types of cells, you can click within the cell and press the play button. You may also hit Shift and Return or use the drop-down menu at the top. Take time to play with the technology and perhaps explore other possibilities with the assistance of a colleague or an AI assistant. Within the Transform section of the Data Science Notebook, note how a new column is being generated by transforming the time format of an existing column. This is a basic example of a quite common transformation. Explore other transformations on your own with a book, a colleague, or an AI assistant. Within the Visualize section of the Data Science Notebook, create charts and graphs with the aid of the powerful Altair library. Explore other means by which to visualize your data on your own, with a book, a colleague, or an AI assistant. Each visualization can be followed by a markdown cell discussing some of the story portrayed in the pertaining graph or chart. At the end of the Data Science Notebook, an example is provided illustrating how you can embed a YouTube video within the notebook. Explore other means by which to embed media, widgets, or iframes on your own, with a book, a colleague, or an AI assistant. Thanks for joining me on this wonderful trek through the world of telling data stories. I wish you the very best as you endeavor to change the world for the better. Godspeed until next time, and remember, your journey into data storytelling doesn't end here. Keep asking questions, keep discovering,